I do. I make less money, but I'm working on it. We're still on the grind with me. Get the vibes, let me give you a treat. Didi Pong Pong, Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong. Didi Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong. Hey, Kajakati Parang, you got the young pnar, the 18 Le Jones, Yaw Man Dog Man Snap, Ngam To, Brew a Kadao, Ngam To, Brew a Bo, Tang La Ong, Pi De Fa, Pi Parang, Wa Cha No, Cha Ka No, Kamu Brew a Sweet Tung, Ika Ma Yung a Sem, Ka Bay, Wong Jo Hun, Kan Di Ti Li.
Welcome back again, guys. Gabsgabitv reaction.
Yeah.
And name Mr. Bob.
Yes,
from
sir.
Sudan. Welcome back again.
Yo, Meghalaya people, north, east, Khasi people from north to east, west, north, south. Yeah, all. Hope everyone
Our
is doing
farm,
well.
we come again.
Back again to our
To do
beloved
another
family,
video.
Khasi people.
Yeah.
So we have one suggested video, guys. Today is going to be comedy. It's going to be funny.
Yeah, we
It's
want to
just
know
like we are going to watch
Bro, we
comedy.
wanted to enjoy, bro. We need to enjoy, man.
But it's a music video in form of a funny comedian way.
Yeah, okay, no
So we are going to enjoy
Yeah.
and we are going to dance, guys.
Yeah, let's go.
It's my first time reacting to Kong Thrash. Okay, that guy is called Kong Thrash. We saw him in that music video before, was he?
DJ Washan?
Oste.
Oste,
He was
Oste.
in Oste, right?
Oste.
Okay. We saw Kong Thrash. His name is Kong Thrash.
You said to me he is girl, but I saw you.
Yeah, he's not a girl,
Yeah.
but he just wear a wig
Yeah,
like that.
okay.
He's not a girl.
I guess he's girl, man.
Yeah. Because in Oste he was wearing like a woman,
Yeah,
a lady, right?
Glass, tone hair,
So
dress.
we are going to check him. His name is Kong. And Kong Thrash. Thrash is mean like trash, you know trash, right? So this guy is called Kong Thrash. His name is Kong. And Thrash is like dirty
Yeah,
or waste. So that is his name. And the music video is called Didi Pong Pong. Didi Pong Pong. Let's play. Don't forget, guys.
Let's
Don't
go.
forget. Tell
Like
them so.
anything.
Subscribe now. Join.
Let's go.
This video is a work of fiction, okay? In a way that this video. Okay? Now open. We are open to you guys. Join.
Join this
Kong
gym.
Thrash, special tongue. Special tongues. I'm going to dance. Make sure to watch until the end.
GTA.
GTA.
It's a like station, yeah. It's a police station. All this good, nigga.
Didi Pong Pong, Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong.
Check, bro.
Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong. Hey, facts about me that I'm not gonna lie. My name is Kid, I'm a really nice guy. I feel a bit shy when I meet pretty girls, especially when we move on. More than me, I reject their calls. Less than me, welcome to my world, but height doesn't matter. Who cares at the
You know what he say? He say he's a shy boy, and he usually meet tall girls, but he reject their calls because he don't like tall girls. He only like small girls, short girls.
Because he's short, bro.
Yeah,
because he's short, bro. You are short, man. How you can?
Play it, start.
If I got a genie, I wish to be tall. People find me funny, I don't get it at all. I mean, I spit the facts and they laugh at that. I hate my studies, so I switch my track. And nowadays, my life is trash. Trash for life, that's what I do. I make less money, but I'm working on it. We're still on the grind with me. Get the vibes, let me give you a treat. Didi Pong Pong, Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong. Didi Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Dora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Bong Bong. Hey, Kajakati Parang, you got the young pnar, the 18 Le Jones, Yaw Man Dog Man Snap, Ngam To, Brew a Kadao, Ngam To, Brew a Bo, Tang La Ong, Pi De Fa, Pi Parang Wa Cha No, Cha Ka No, Kamu Brew a Sweet Tung, Ika Ma Yung a Sem, หุ่นคันดีที่ลีกันแน่เสียงสับไอปอร์ปุ่นแล้วรอรถเดบุลุ่มดังหุ่นกะเงาขยุ่มกะวนกะกามลำแกร่นะปอมาซิมอุลายไปดูชิบนายอุกิกกับบรูนาดีนอิมายายากะกามกับมายายากะชันให้กินยงพะเรงว่าคุณกิแฟชั่นแม่มาบอกเรียมกะจีนสิกะเลี้ยงที่เชิดแต่ดาอุลัน Everybody crave for the branded kind but in case of me I go for branded mind
Oh, branded mic.
ปองปองปิงปองสลาลังดองโตรากีดียงพีชะจงเป็นขีวีปองปองดีปองปองปิงปองสลาลังดองโตรากีดียงพีชะจงเป็นขีวีปองปอง
Yeah, see that short boy.
Hello, don't be so jello. You put on the mask, you laugh behind my back, but that is your place. Come kiss my ass.
This guy is so funny.
When you wear like yes, you
This is how he was wearing in that time. But
Yeah.
If still you don't know, I'll beat your shit now. I put on my wig and
Ah,
turn
Didi
to
will wear that
Kong Thrash.
wig.
It's not that I wish, it's not that I want. Ule one day come on, where you so beneath the man, so I'll pour my heart out just to make you laugh. Didi Pong Pong, Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Tora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Pong Pong. Didi Pong Pong, Ping Pong Sa La Lang Dong, Tora Kiki Yong Pi, Cha Jong Pen Ki, Wee Pong Pong.
Yeah. Yes. Damn. What the hell? Guys, what are you doing here?
This is crazy. They're so funny.
Bro, I wanna die, man. I wanna die. He make me love. He make me.
This guy made our day. Wait. Play. Huh? Just play again. It's not finished. It's like subtitle. Skip it there. Skip the subtitle. The ads. Skip. It's done.
Finish, bro. I told you.
Okay.
You really enjoy it, bro.
Yeah,
You enjoy it.
Yeah, we really enjoy this. So funny.
It's so funny, man. It's so funny. I like short guy, not short guy.
Short girl.
Girl or
Girl.
Yeah, one short boy is there also. One
No, that's very short,
the
man.
one who was
Girls.
taking.
Girls or boy?
Both are there. Short
Both
girl
of them.
and short boy was there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he said he liked short girls only.
No, bro.
Because he's short.
Yeah.
This guy is the most funniest. You know,
So
I reacted to so many videos, but this is the most funniest video so far. I
Funny,
reacted
bro. It's funny,
from
man.
Khasipeople. We really love it, guys.
Yeah.
And we are so happy that subtitle is provided, which made us to understand all the meaning of the video. It's comedy. We love it. We are here to enjoy, guys.
Yeah.
Kong Thrash, not from Africa, but you are not Kong Thrash. You are Kong Love. Kong
Love.
Conte.
Conti.
Kong.
Hey, Conti.
What is the meaning of Kong, guys?
Kong.
We know Thrash
Yeah,
is like sheep,
that's for
man.
us, guys.
But
Kong.
your sheep is making us happy. Your
Yeah.
Thrash is making us happy.
Yeah,
Thank
exactly.
you so much,
Exactly.
Kong Thrash. Don't forget to subscribe.
Like,
guys. Not from
subscribe
Africa.
our family.